Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will be showing you how to install the steering damper. Nanrobot LS7 Plus is coming with a steering damper, but if you are buying other Nanrobot scooter models, please head to our official site to pick up a corresponding steering damper model. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any question. First, let's install the damper base on the deck, align it with the holes on the deck and fix it with screws. Tighten the screws with an Allen key to ensure the damping base does not shake. Take out the damper kit and put the damper positioning bracket on the damper. Next, we need to fix the installed damper kit on the scooter side. This thick wire should be placed on the inside of the damper. Use the Allen key to tighten the screws. Tighten the other screw in the same way. Before adjusting the damper, we need to align the front of the scooter. Then, by sliding the damper, we can make the exposed rods at both ends the same length. Tighten the screw with an Allen key. When swinging the front of the scooter, we need to make sure that the damper does not touch the head or tail of the rod during the sliding process. Well, this is the end of the damper installation tutorial. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.